Hello children, you are yet welcome to another session. We are going to look at structures. Last time with teacher Susan, you looked at the comprehension. To comprehend means to read and understand. Now today we are looking at the structures. And as before we look at the structures, we have that gap for the spelling activity. The gap is for the spelling activity, and the spelling activity will be writing the days of the week. We are writing the days of the week, beginning with the first day of the week. I hope we know the first day of the week. So our spelling activity, the words are 1, Sunday. The first spelling is Sunday, which is the first day of the week. Sunday. Number 2, Monday. 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 Number 3, Tuesday. 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 Number 4, Wednesday. The word is Wednesday. Wednesday, not Wednesday. The word is Wednesday. Number 5, Thursday. 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 Number 6, Friday. 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 Number 7, Saturday. Saturday. Number 7 is Saturday. Those are the spellings that we shall write, and we shall look at the corrections later. So, we have said we are looking at structures. In English, we say a structure is the way parts of a sentence are arranged. A structure is the way parts of a sentence are arranged. Yet in science we say the structure of the skeleton. That means how the bones of either person or any other creature are arranged. Then we call it the structure of the skeleton. But here, the way parts of a sentence are arranged in English. The first structure we are looking at is using will dash dash. That means it is a question mark. Will dash dash question mark. And the second structure we shall look at is dash, will dash, on dash. Dash, will dash, on dash. It is also a question. Now the answers to structure A, we shall be using yes, dash dash, will dash. Or no, dash dash, will not, dash dash. Remember, when we begin answering a question using yes, there must be a comma before we continue with that sentence. And even when we are saying no, there should also be a comma before we continue with that sentence. The short form of writing will not is won't. Won't is spelled as W-O-N''T, won't. If you find that will not is giving you headache, because will is a word and not is a word, therefore don't put them together. If you find that writing will not is giving you headache, then write won't, a short form of will not. or write shan't, short form of shall not. Shan't is spelled as S-H-A-N', shan't. We are giving examples of structure A, whereby our number one is saying, will appear go to the market on Monday. Remember, when you write a question sentence, it must end up with the question mark. Will appear go to the market on Monday? Somebody can come up with an answer accepting. When that person accepts that statement, then he will say, yes, comma, appear will go to the market on Monday. Another person may come up with a sentence refusing. And that person will say, no, comma, appear will not go to the market on Monday. No, comma, appear will not go to the market on Monday. Some of us find problems with writing the word will not, and they combine those two words, will and not. So, if you are in that category and you find writing will not is bothering you, then you say, oh, you're right. No, comma, appear won't go to the market on Monday. No, comma, appear won't go to the market on Monday. Example number 2. Will the teacher teach us tomorrow? Somebody is accepting, and that person says, yes, comma, the teacher will teach us tomorrow. Another one refuses and says, no, the teacher will not teach us tomorrow. Or, no, comma, the teacher won't teach us tomorrow. Please note carefully those statements. Example number 3. Will you come to school on Sunday? Remember, I have used will you. When we looked at the use of shall and will, we said shall goes with the I and we, and will goes with you, they, she, he, John, and so on. So when we are answering question in number 3, will you come to school on Sunday? That person is asking you. Therefore, you will answer that question by beginning yes and put there I. Now, what shall we do when we put there I? We shall not again say yes, I will. No, we shall say yes. Our answer number 1 is yes, I shall come to school on Sunday. Yes, comma, I shall come to school on Sunday. Another one is refusing and is saying no, comma, I shall not come to school on Sunday. Or no, comma, I shan't come to school on Sunday. Remember the use of I with the future simple tense. I goes with the shall, we goes with the shall. The rest of the pronouns and other nouns go with the will. Example of structure number 2. The structure number 2 says dash dash will dash dash on dash. Dash dash will dash dash on dash. It is also a question. Dash dash will dash dash on dash. Examples are when will Miriam visit her grandmother? When will Miriam visit her grandmother? A question mark. In brackets, we have 25th November. Our answer will be Miriam will visit her grandmother on 25th November. We use those words in brackets or phrases in brackets to answer that question, whereby we say Miriam will visit her grandmother on 25th November. Example 2. When will Baguma write a letter? Question mark. And in our bracket, we have next week. The answer becomes Baguma will write a letter next week. Example 3. When shall we do the end of term exams? When shall we do the end of term exams? Remember, we goes with the shall. That's why we have put there shall, not will. And the answer will be, we shall do the end of term exams on Thursday. We shall do the end of term exams on Thursday. Those structures, dear children, are very simple. Our activity number 1 goes with the structure A. Our activity number 1 goes with the structure A. Will you dash dash? And you answer using both yes and no. So answer the following questions using A. Yes, comma, dash dash, will dash dash. B. No, comma, dash dash, will not or won't dash dash. That is how we are answering the activity A, or activity number 1. So the sentences read, will he pass the end of term's exams? Will he pass the end of term's exams? You will answer yes, dash dash, or and B, no, dash dash. Number 2, will Jane record the news in her diary? Will Jane record the news in her diary? 3, will Katuntu win the writing competitions? Will Katuntu win the writing competitions? Number 4, will you sing on Sunday? Will you sing on Sunday? Remember, he's asking you. Therefore, you say no, and you know what will follow. You know how you use I and we, he, she, and the rest. And number 5, will Okello read this diary to his friends? Will Okello read this diary to his friends? So, in our activity number 1, we have 10 answers to answer. 10 answers to answer using yes, using no. Then activity number 2, use the words in brackets to answer these questions. We are using the words that have been given in the brackets to answer the questions. Whereby, number 1 says, when will they go to the farm? When will they go to the farm? In bracket, we have Tuesday. So you answer and say, they will go to the farm, dash, dash, dash. Number 2, when will he buy a diary? Our word to use in brackets is next year. Number 3, what will Ronald do on Saturday? And the answer in brackets is visit his relatives. And number 4, when will Annette go to the village? Then we have 24th December in brackets. And lastly, when will you go to swim? Then you start that sentence, I shall. When will you go to swim? You begin that sentence by saying, I shall. Because you are using I, don't again say, I will. I shall. So write that exercise carefully. Write the exercise carefully. The first activity has 10 answers. The second activity has 5 answers. I wish you well wherever you are. I have been Teacher Rico Alex. Good time.